There are different types of protective gears in Taekwondo. What are those? And how can those ensure the safety and enhance the skills of the practitioner? Let's find out! Taekwondo is a contact sport. It involves kicking and punching. Unwanted injuries are normal at this sport. However, to lessen those injuries, the practitioner are required to wear protective gears during sparring. It helps in equipping the body against strenuous training and tough competition. Having proper gear prevents unnecessary injury during the sparring. What are those protective gears? Let's find out! The first one is the headgear. It protects our head against cuts, scrapes, and swelling during training or sparring. It can soften some blow from any strikes that we receive from our head. You must be sure that your headgear fits securely and fastened with a chin strap. The headgear comes in multiple colors and sizes. When buying a headgear, find the size that you feel most comfortable and cover the entire back of your head without moving around. The next one is the body protector. The body protector is the most common scoring area in Taekwondo sparring. The body protector is hit by the heel, the sole, and the top of the foot by many kicking techniques like roundhouse kick or the front kick. And it can be also hit by the fist. It is designed to protect our chest and stomach during the training and sparring session. Generally, the chest protectors are secured with either ties or velcro in the back. This allows them to be adjusted for size. Of course, you want a protector that fits securely without slipping. The next one is the gum shield or the mouth guard. Many athletes believe that the mouth guard or gum shields are uncomfortable and can cause breathing impairments and can degrade their performance. However, the gum shield is a protective device for the mouth that covers the teeth and the gums to prevent or reduce the injuries. It is scientifically proven that wearing a gum shield can prevent sports-related orofacial injuries. The World Taekwondo Federation introduced the mouth guard rule in 2003 that enforced mandatory use of gum shields during competition. And the Korea Taekwondo Association followed the change in 2010. Yes, the gum shields are uncomfortable. But remember that gum shields are cheaper than dental surgery. The next one is the groin guard. It prevents the groin from sustaining any serious injuries during the competition. Men and women must wear groin guard. Yes, even women. There's a cup design for men and a platter design for women. A woman's guard sits on a hip. Indeed, it is extremely large, uncomfortable, and it really hinders the range of motion. But it will protect the practitioner from getting pelvic injury, bursting their bladder, and other related injuries. The next one is hand gloves. Hand gloves are tailored for Taekwondo fighters to give maximum protection to both fighter and the opponent. It protects the fingers and the knuckles of the fighter from the breakage and injury. On the other hand, it protects the opponent because it softens the punch of the fighter. And it is used to avoid getting more serious injuries. The next one is the Shin guard. It is used to protect the soft tissues and the bones in lower extremities for external impacts such as kicks and jabs. According to Ramasanoglu 2012, the total impact of force on the practitioner might get without shin guard was higher because the shin guards decrease the total impact force received. So the practitioner must always use shin guard. The next one is the arm guards or the arm pads. It is common to block the attack of the opponent in Taekwondo. The practitioner might use their arm to block the attacks. Therefore, the opponent must use arm pads. Arm pads are worn under the uniform. They cover the lower and the outside portion of the forearm. This prevents from bruising and worse injury when blocking. And the last one is the foot gloves. Like hand gloves, foot gloves are designed to protect the foot and joints from breakage and injury. So that's all. Those are the protective gears used in Taekwondo. So, how can these protective gears enhances the skill of practitioner? Indeed, some of the protective gears are uncomfortable to wear. But using these enhances the discipline of the practitioner. Also, this can help them to be responsible for themselves and for their opponents. Further, if the practitioners knows that they are protected, they will not hesitate to kick or to punch the opponent. They can give their best because they know that they are protected and in the lower risk of getting injuries because of the protective gears. That's all. I hope that you learned something.